Amsterdam is not just a place. It is a presence. A city that moves with the rhythm of water, breathes through its narrow streets, and carries centuries of stories in every reflection on its canals. Amsterdam sits in the western part of the Netherlands, shaped by the Amstel River and surrounded by a web of waterways that define its form and its soul. It is the capital of the country, yet it feels more like a living organism than an administrative center. Intimate, expressive, and deeply human. The essence of Amsterdam begins with water. Water that protects, water that connects, water that defines. The canals curve like lines of poetry, each one holding memories of merchants, families, artists, and dreamers. The narrow houses rising above them, leaning slightly, standing proudly, feel like characters in a story that has never stopped unfolding. Their tall windows, ornate gables, and centuries-old facades create a rhythm that is unmistakably Amsterdam. The city's architecture is a dialogue between past and present. Traditional canal houses stand beside bold modern structures, and industrial spaces have transformed into creative hubs. Amsterdam never erases its history. It layers new ideas on top of old foundations. This blend of eras gives the city a texture that feels both timeless and constantly evolving. Amsterdam's culture is shaped by openness. For centuries, the city welcomed thinkers, writers, painters, and people seeking freedom. It became a refuge for those who needed space to imagine, to create, to express. That spirit of tolerance and curiosity became part of its identity. You feel it in the art that fills its museums, in the conversations that spill out of cafes, in the directness and warmth of its people. The atmosphere of Amsterdam is gentle and human. The soft hum of bicycles, the glow of streetlights on water, the quiet murmur of voices drifting through narrow alleys. The city invites you to slow down, to observe, to listen. It is a place where small details matter. The creak of an old wooden door, the reflection of a bridge in the canal, the way morning light touches the rooftops. Amsterdam's history began in the 13th century as a small settlement along the Amstel. Over time, it grew into a center of global trade, especially during the Dutch Golden Age. Ships left its harbors for every corner of the world, bringing back goods, ideas, and influences that shaped the city's identity. Amsterdam became a place where cultures met, where innovation thrived, where art flourished. Its history is not defined by dates, but by spirit, a spirit of resilience, creativity, and independence. Amsterdam today feels like a city where culture breathes in every corner, offering a world of experiences that feel both timeless and alive. The Rijksmuseum stands as the national home of Dutch art and history, where masterpieces tell the story of a nation. The Van Gogh Museum reveals the emotional world of Vincent van Gogh through the largest collection of his works. The Anne Frank House preserves one of the most human and heartbreaking stories of the Second World War. The Royal Theatre Carré brings grand performances to life in one of the city's most iconic venues. The Dutch National Opera and Ballet showcases world-class productions that embody elegance, discipline, and artistic ambition. The canals remain Amsterdam's quiet heartbeat, guiding visitors through reflections of centuries past. The Jordaan offers intimate streets filled with character and charm. The Adam Tower rises boldly across the water, symbolizing the city's modern creative spirit. The Nemo Science Museum stands like a ship of curiosity, inviting imagination and discovery. Vondelpark stretches like a green oasis where the city slows down and breathes. Together, these places create a cultural landscape that feels warm, human, and deeply expressive, a reason why visitors are drawn not just to what Amsterdam shows, but to what it makes them feel. And from Amsterdam, the world of the Netherlands opens naturally. The medieval calm of Utrecht, the architectural courage of Rotterdam, the refined international voice of The Hague, and the historic charm of Haarlem and Leiden, each connected to Amsterdam through culture, history, and the shared Dutch spirit. From Amsterdam, the cultural story of the Netherlands expands naturally. Utrecht lies close with its medieval soul and canals that flow beneath street level. Rotterdam rises boldly to the southwest, a city of modern architecture, innovation, and courage. The Hague stands proudly with its international institutions and refined coastal atmosphere. Even smaller towns like Haarlem, Leiden, and Alkmaar offer their own chapters of Dutch identity, each connected to Amsterdam through history, culture, and shared spirit. Amsterdam is the beginning of a wider narrative, a gateway into the Dutch way of life, where water, art, and human warmth shape every city in their own way. Amsterdam is not a destination. It is a feeling, a rhythm, a reflection. A city that doesn't ask to be explored. It asks to be understood. It breathes, it inspires, it shapes everyone who walks its streets. This is Amsterdam, a city of stories, a city of identity, a city that continues to evolve while holding its past close, like a memory that never fades.
In the description, you'll find a free Amsterdam guide with all essential info, plus a map with all major sites. The map will be updated regularly. If you need help planning your trip, everything you need is below.